Hi everybody. It's fun to meet you. Welcome back to the Orchid Paradise. Did you know eggshells are an amazing natural fertilizer for orchids? They're packed with calcium, which helps strengthen roots, support leaf and flower growth, and even prevent root rot. Try this easy method and watch your orchids grow stronger and bloom beautifully. Okay, let's get started. If you've just brought home an orchid but can't seem to keep it alive, don't give up. I'm here to guide you step by step how to care for a new orchid, choose the right potting mix, water properly, and fertilize the right way. It's easier than you think. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support us. Your support means the world to us and keeps us motivated to share more amazing orchid care tips. Thank you so much. Let's grow a beautiful orchid garden together. We need to trim off wilted leaves and rotten roots to help the orchid grow healthier. Wilted leaves and rotten roots can become a breeding ground for bacteria and fungi, which may cause diseases for the plant. Additionally, removing damaged parts allows the orchid to focus its nutrients on the healthy sections, promoting the growth of new roots and leaves. If you're having trouble with language, don't worry. We provide subtitles in over 100 languages, including English, French, German, Japanese, Korean, Chinese, and more. How to change subtitles. 1. Click the settings icon on the video. 2. Select subtitles, CC. 3. Choose your preferred language. 4. If your language isn't available, select Auto Translate and pick your desired language. With just a few simple steps, you can enjoy the video perfectly in your own language. Don't forget to wash it. Eggshells aren't just kitchen waste. They're a fantastic natural fertilizer for orchids. Rich in calcium, strengthens roots, prevents root rot, and supports flower development. Packed with essential minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium, helps orchids absorb nutrients better and boost their immunity. Improves the growing medium. As eggshells break down, they make the potting mix more aerated, helping roots grow stronger. We will give rice in combination with eggshell. After that, we will use cinnamon powder, which is rich in essential nutrients that support orchid growth. Cinnamon contains calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium, which are crucial for strengthening the plant's structure and enhancing root development. Additionally, it has antioxidants and antibacterial properties that help protect orchids from fungal infections and diseases. The presence of vitamin C aids in boosting the plant's natural defense mechanisms, while polyphenols contribute to overall health by promoting nutrient absorption. We will use a cotton ball dipped in cinnamon water to apply it to the cut areas of the roots or stems of the orchid. This helps disinfect the wound, prevent fungal infections, and promote faster healing. Additionally, cinnamon water stimulates new root growth, allowing the orchid to absorb nutrients more efficiently and grow healthier. We will combine cinnamon water and eggshell rice water to create a comprehensive orchid care solution. We will use pine bark to grow orchids because it provides a well-aerated environment, ensures good drainage, and helps prevent fungal diseases. Pine bark also retains moisture at an optimal level, supplies some natural minerals, and allows orchid roots to anchor securely. We will use moss to retain moisture for the orchid, especially in dry environments or when growing young plants. Moss helps maintain stable humidity around the roots, allowing the plant to absorb water and nutrients more efficiently. After 6 months, the orchid will show significant growth if properly cared for. Healthy, firm leaves. With adequate moisture and nutrients, the leaves will become thicker, deep green, and free from wrinkles or yellowing. New roots will grow long, healthy, and firmly attached to the growing medium, such as pine bark or moss, allowing the plant to absorb water and nutrients more efficiently